In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project roadmap in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clear, shareable plan that your team can reference every day to stay aligned on what's happening and when. First, open Confluence and navigate to the space where you want your roadmap to live. A space is simply a dedicated area for a team, project, or department. Choose the space your stakeholders already use so the roadmap is easy to find later. If your organization has multiple spaces, pick the one that reflects the project's home base. Next, click Create. This opens a fresh Confluence page where we'll build the roadmap. You'll see the page editor with a title field at the top and a blank canvas below. Now choose how you want to start: a blank page or a roadmap template. A blank page gives you full control over layout and formatting. A roadmap template can jumpstart the process with suggested sections and styling. If you're new to roadmaps, a template is a great way to get structure fast. If you already have a format in mind, go blank. Add the project name and timeline. Use the page title for the project name so it's easy to search. In the body, define the overall time frame, such as the start and end months or quarters. If dates are still shifting, it's fine to begin with a high-level window and refine later. Create clear sections for milestones, goals, owners, and deadlines. Milestones are the big checkpoints. Goals describe the outcomes you're driving toward. Owners identify who's accountable, and deadlines anchor the work in time. Use headings or subheadings to make these sections scannable, and keep labels consistent so everyone interprets them the same way. To organize the plan, choose a structure that fits your team. A table works well for lists and quick updates. Think columns for milestone, goal, owner, start, end, and status. A timeline view helps visualize sequencing and overlaps. The Roadmap Planner macro offers an easy drag and drop timeline with lanes for different streams of work. Pick one or combine a table for details with a timeline for at-a-glance clarity. Keep entries concise and updatable. Your roadmap should be living documentation, not a one-time artifact. When you're ready, publish the roadmap and share it with your team. Click Publish to make the page visible, then use the Share button to notify collaborators. Encourage the team to bookmark the page and check back regularly. As dates shift or priorities change, update the roadmap so it remains your single source of truth.